Praveen took a loan for 6 years at 5% per annum simple interest. If the total interest paid was rupees 1230, what was the principal? So here Praveen has taken a loan for a period of 6 years. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So he has taken a loan of a certain amount which we don't know. So this is the principal, which is P. Now for each of these years he is getting a simple interest of 5% of the principal amount, which is P. So second year also the interest is 5% of P because this is a simple interest. Again third year 5% of P and so on. Now the 5% of P for 6 years equates to a simple interest of 1230 rupees. So what is the principal amount which will give an interest of 1230 rupees after 6 years at 5% simple interest? So here we know that simple interest is equal to principal multiplied by the rate multiplied by the time frame divided by 100. So simple interest is 1230, which is equal to the principal, which is unknown, and let's denote it by P, multiplied by the rate of interest per annum, which is 5, multiplied by the time frame for which the loan has been given, which is 6 years, divided by 100. So let's put P on one side of the equation and all the remaining numbers on the other side. So P is equal to, so this 100 goes on top, so 1230 multiplied by 100 divided by 5 multiplied by 6. Now 5 2s are 10, so this becomes 20. Now 6 is divisible by 3, and let's find out if this number is divisible by 3. So let's add all the digits. So 3 plus 2 is 5 plus 1 is 6, and the addition of these digits, which is 6, is divisible by 3. So this number is also divisible by 3. So let's divide these two numbers by 3. So 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, then 3 1s are 3, and the remaining 0, and 2 10s are 20. So or principal is 410 multiplied by 10, so 410 and another 0 rupees. Now let's look at this in a different way. So because this is simple interest, we know that every year we are going to get the same interest, which is equal to 5% of the principal amount. So 5% of principal for the first year plus 5% of principal for the second year, and so on till the 6th year, is equal to 1230 rupees. So in other terms, we can say that 6 times 5% of P is equal to 1230. So this becomes 5% of P is 0.05 P. So this is basically 5 divided by 100. So this becomes 0.05 and multiply by P, so 0.05 P, which is equal to 1230. So this becomes 0.3 P, 6 5s are 30, and then decimal at 2 places, so it becomes 0.3 P is equal to 1230, or P is equal to 1230 divided by 0.3. So let's remove this decimal and add a 0 here. Now we know that this number is divisible by 3 because 3 plus 2 is 5 plus 1 is 6 and 6 is divisible by 3. So 3 4s are 12, 3 1s are 3 and then 2 zeros. So P is equal to 4100 rupees.